Room, here you have it, live. Wrld TV, for the people and only for the people. And we're there with a brand new movie we name Love and Drama. So first, I just want to big up my supporter them. Wow. Foundation supporter and supporter when no see them not supported. So big up my fans them from all about. Anywhere you're in Jamaica, from your fans, just big up yourself. So you see a new movie here, me want to talk about it. Just watch it, tell me what you like, what you don't like, and just comment what your favorite part, what your favorite scene. A matter of fact, big up the whole of the people who may take part in your movie and give you a strength. Room, one coloring book for the people and only for the people. Wrld TV. Room. Puppy done. Boy, me I tell you, bro. You know, say, me a G from long time, because big man thing, almost 3 or maybe more year and now, my sister there. And it's like, for the quietest time now, the longest time now, it's like, boy, now work out, bro. Like, you know, we there, we left, we there, we left. And it's like, she a try, and me a try. It's like, to me see a relationship right now, bro. We come from far, you know. My sister come from far. We love one another, but to me, it's like we love one another, but we're not in love with one another again. Yo. So right now, 1 second. Right now, Puppy, she just says she inside wants some space. I feel like I see him thing wants some space too.
Alright, that's my opinion I have to say about this. You see you. I can't tell my sister who to deal with it. But I first brother-in-law when I respect. I would want to see my sister with forever and forever. You show my sister a real genuine love. And I love that. My sister love her, you know, but remember, me not in a relationship. Because you say, you know, love, but you not in love. But me see the love, and you have to see the in love. And now me I talk to you, I can sound really feel it. You see me? But me not believe in a space business, you know. That's just my opinion. Because anytime I go into space, to me, I just classify as a relationship done. That's just what me have to say. You know, I would never want that happen.
You know, it kind of break my heart. And I really feel sad because the whole situation I like you cheat for me.
Yeah, so your heart still there good.
It did it what me now feel like. Watch you know, big man thing. Watch you know one big man thing.
Alright.
And I like your sister cheat for me, you know, or me cheat for her. Me kinda glad say it's like a relationship now work out, but we not cheat on one another. It's like things just, you know, when you have a car, but you love a car and you have a long and you feel like
you want upgrade.
You want upgrade.
Right.
But you love a car, you know. So I just that with me and your sister, bro. So it's like we just decide with each other, say if we just hold some space. All over we hold some space and we still like we see if we go up on a few dates. She need to come sleep with me and I go sleep with her and it just now connect. But you understand?
You know, so me and my sister talk and I never know say the space so not take like on a separate. I feel like on still there together and I never know them
that, bro, cause you see your sister now, she don't really talk a lot.
And that my sister antisocial.
And you know, in a real life now, bro, cause I can't hide nothing from you. It's like buck a girl.
I like.
Brother, I not cheat, me I cheat.
Coming like say my sister done for real, man. Watch you, man.
Listen, I not cheat, me I cheat, Puppy Dan.
So
buck a girl. But me explain her and tell her say me have a woman where I go through hard time.
Okay.
But she like me long time. And she tell me say she like me long time. So me and her talk, but more say with there. But you only when me stress when me I go through. And she did it with me, she talk to me, she thank you, bro. And she really care about me. I mean I really want to go involved with her sex, make love to her in our relationship, and then me and your sister go back together and break her heart.
But remember, you know, me a man, you know, so me understand what you say. Because remember, say, we as a man, you know, we are going to want a little somebody there to talk to it, especially when we want a little sad moment, a depression moment, you are going to want somebody to talk to it. You understand? But really and truly, more the one my sister relationship go down Nigeria. You know? Come look up to you, you know.
I can't tell you the realest truth right now. And it's between me and you. The girl in my book right now, Tia. Really, me not drop. Me a fall for her, bro. It's like every time I think about her. Every time if she gone, it's like she in my heart. Me just a think about her non-stop. My heart a beat when she forward. You get what me I say? Heart a beat when she forward, bro. Me really care about her and she care about me. So maybe your sister right, maybe two of you just separate. She go on with her life, me go on with my life. You see me?
Well, I'm gonna say something to you, father. Say sometimes some people are meant to be in your heart, but not in your life.
You know say some people are meant to be in our life, but not in our. So Jesus Christ, I girl call me not here.
I'm sorry, man. I hear you soon.
Yeah, T. Hello?
I can't go buy a new touch.
Yeah, man, me a hear, man. Right, pray. Just a talk about you, know. Just a tell my friend about you.
That must be nice.
Yeah, man. Are we at home?
No, I know you know, so up on the road, me dem so me I come check you.
You in Alien?
Yeah.
Forward, man.
Alright.
Forward, let me introduce her to my friend, man.
Alright, me forward.
Alright.
Yeah.
Why, my friend, come like your...
She a blush?
Me here, man. Come like your phone screen mash up like your heart, man.
Boy, me
You
a
want a
tell you.
new phone screen and a new heart.
At least the
You
phone
want
can't
repair.
replace. Heart can't replace. But yo, watch out now. Bro, I really appreciate the fact you say. Yeah, I'm brother in law from my side. I'm a friend from my side. But this is not a cheating thing, bro. You see me, call me say you come like my sister now work out, so
I understand, man, you see me?
really appreciate
Sometimes if some things can't work, it makes sense to push you, you know. Because you can't force water over hill, you know.
True, man.
Allow me to tell?
Oh, Puppy Dan.
Hi.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah, man. You know, I'm a friend this Puppy Dan.
I'm Big
Tia.
Belly Puppy Dan.
Yeah, man.
Alright, big belly puppy down.
Alright, yeah, man.
So
Damn, you good?
yeah, me alright. Me just there and feel bored and say me I walk out.
Glad you come link me, man, because I just tell my friends, say, yo, you know, through me look struggle and everything, like, you did it for me. And that's and I really appreciate that and something, you see me? Yeah. Big belly, what you saying him?
Big Belly Puppy Dan.
I saw a Puppy than me call him, what kind of big belly? But yo, big man thing. What you say about you know?
You never really have no way.
I used to go and check my father, man. I go and like you know my number, man. Me shout you out, man. Go and hold in a conversation, man.
Yeah, my dog, man, yo. Alright, not you.
The money, alright.
Good. Yeah, me I link you come over here. Yeah, man, big up here. Yeah, man.
Remember, you know, Big Belly Puppy Dan.
Big belly puppy.
How your name again?
Tia.
Alright, Big
Yeah.
Tia. Alright.
Puppy Dan say you're cute. I say you're nice. What you know say that? I know you're cute already.
Thanks.
Come on. Big belly Puppy Dan!
Alia.
What that for?
Sis. I don't feel lifestyle like the sis. I don't like them that's something the sis. I mean I go forward and disrespect you or try to load up my voice on you because by an idea you're a big woman. But the real truth about everything I'm going to check you about. But you never tell me say your coloring book I go through a hard time. Me your brother, you know. Me not say if you tell me everything, you know. But you can at least let me know my sister I go through.
Listen, you know, me and coloring book relationship just not working. We been a try. Him a try, me a try, but it's not working. So we decided so we had to take a little break. Even though it kind of have me head a little weird, but
sis,
I feel best.
I know school on there, so I don't understand what kind of break you know I take. What kind of something them there? In my relationship, I don't work with them the thing there, you know, even though me and no difference still, you know. Because everybody have the same mindset, you know. But when I take break in a relationship, sis, that means someone does a break up then.
I not say break up, but him need space, me need space. Both of us need space to think.
And it gone back to the same thing where you say a while ago. You a try, and him a try, and it don't look like it all work out. So when you take a break, what go happen, sis?
Listen to me. If me tell her say, me no love him and lie me I tell.
No, me know you love him, and you fall back to where him a say, him love you. But if you look like no,
me
not
know
in love with
say
no
love
one
me, but a relationship just now, you know, the first time there, that spark they not dead. One time we used to do everywhere together. Now it just come like something. I don't know what go wrong, but something.
You know what me feel
wrong.
though? I just want to just start off as you say, we do everywhere together. Remember me always I tell you still in me always I tell him say in a relationship, man needs space, woman needs space. So if it's true, we did live together and like we there yard every day and so we no go no one then no space. So me feel like say we just tired of no. I just what me I say.
No,
me can't wrong.
Me not tired of him. The relationship just not working. So we are take a break and then see if anything, if we feel like start back, we can agree upon it. If me agree and him agree, we start back.
It's a long time. We know all the fun at the back still, you know. But the one don't look healthy at all.
It's called love. Listen to me. Even though we left, we dey back, we left, we dey back. But now we just need space. Me need space, him need space. And I like say me a cheating and him a cheating. Because I know him not cheating.
No man, like the youth do nothing like that, man.
So I know it have nothing to do with cheating or if fight we are fighting or nothing. It have nothing to do with that. But we just feel like say we need some time apart. And during the little break when me and him take, me kinda meet somebody where me kinda like. Not like say me a pushy, you know, but me kinda like him, so maybe I feel best. I mean hope me just a hope and find somebody
Well,
who like and we see where this will go.
You see the same thing when I tell him, I not tell him. Sometimes some people are meant to be in your life, but not in your heart.
What?
Sometimes you have to love a person and it go hard to let them go. We have to let them go to better yourself.
That's the point, and me want better for him. So if me have to let him go for him better for himself, me I gotta let him go, you know.
And you know, so sometimes you and a person can in a relationship for 10 years and you did know say that person cannot be meant for you.
Yeah, me didn't know that what is to be have to be fun enough to work in and go work. But listen to me. Me just want him happy. That's all.
And you want happy.
And me want happy. But together we
You
not
like
happy.
it. Okay, man.
You understand? Together we not happy. So
It feel like say it was no Chucky, you know. We're not gonna stick to this thing like Chucky, but come like on a Tom and Jerry.
listen to me. Nothing not change between me and him, you know. Even if me and him left, you know, nothing not change, you know. You understand?
I can't believe still. I never want to see it two break up because really and truly I love it two. You understand? I like it two in a relationship. I watch it two in a relationship and want a relationship like phone. But you see him, I go always be a brother-in-law.
Yes,
Anybody you have said with me and him I go good enough, but him I'm a real general.
Yeah man, I'm gonna be your number one brother-in-law. Nothing not change, but to tell you the truth, bro, I kinda have a lot on my head right now, so I'm going to lie down. Right now, all my head won't happen, so I'm glad feel like a prep talk where you come and try to give me butt.
Sis, remember, you know, no smoking, please.
Yeah man, no smoking, no smoking. Me see you look more.
Jaja, hope my sister alright soon. Hate see when my sister go through some things because that affect me too.
As my dad said, it's like me I get for like you. Like when me say like you, I mean deep feelings me I catch for right now, and me can't control it.
The same feelings. Cause remember a couple months ago you tell me the same thing, so I catch a deep feelings. Are the same feelings around different times?
Well, me not think I see him Like, it just get more, like, each and every day. It's like, it just a grow more and more. Like, me can't go to bed one night and don't see it in me, like, feel you, if you understand what I mean.
Breathe in, breathe out. You know what I say? When you control the love, your feelings, the more you care about me. I care a lot about you. And you know what I like about you? It's like, my stress when I go through from one day, you did it for me. Night, morning, noon, you did it. And you don't care. Say, me have a woman in my life, you still did it for me. Although me know say hurt you, if you know say you love a person. And during the fact you love a person, you buck the person, know him say him have a person in his life who him care about. But you think about yourself and also I think about my benefit, my feeling. I kind of really appreciate that. Because I don't know how I get through this last month without you did help me. So I love you for that. And to tell you the honest truth, I don't know how them someone can love or in love with two women, but I really I fall for you. I hope I don't drop. If I need to drop, I just want you to pick me up. You see me, but I know you're going to fall. Me I fall too.
Well, I could have gone another day and I tell her how I feel. Like, I don't want and my mind can't come off of you. So I did have to come out of the house just to tell her how I feel. Because I'll talk to you on the phone.
So hold on there.
It'll get to me.
Where you saw shopping now?
Listen.
So you use the shop at spot. Yo, anyhow, you know, so what they tell me say you want me to meet your sister or your family, you know, but in time already, man.
My name, man, yes, more I meet my sister.
So what about your mom?
Well,
You have a brother?
my mother not in our life, but my brother they are foreign. I have a
Sorry
brother
for you
with
about
their
that.
foreign.
You have a brother that foreign? And you know, say me that foreign if you're quiet while me up on farm work. When you cool and everything, me kind of just get tired of it and forward back to Jamaica. I saw me book my girlfriend, you know, when me and him go through a little drama. Yeah, man, me book all the youth over foreign to, you know, from Jamaica, real youth.
Okay.
Through my last my phone and them thing, me and him in a correspond about text on TikTok and social media still. Real youth. But anyhow, enough of that still. Your sister, so how your sister like in rough? She's a nice person.
She nice, you know, but sometimes I'm out better with her. And differently still, she always encourage me to do good, you know?
Oh, so
Yeah, man.
our sister, where she just a look out for you.
Yeah, always a look out
And
for
by
you.
looking out for you, want look like she's stubborn to her. But I just want sister want look out for your sister.
Exactly.
I like that.
She not selfish, she not all about
I
herself.
like that. Me wish me have a sister where could stay by my foot like that.
But you gonna meet her, man. I'm gonna make you meet her because I hope one day, no hope, I know we're gonna get serious, but not too rushy still. You understand?
So I go on, man. You see what your one, and what my one. And you see, if me and you for each, yeah, like how a dog am each, we have each. But regardless, we are not dog.
Exactly.
You know, we are just two persons, we love each other and we just have a look how patrol, roadblock, you know the way, you know. But we are clear that our papers them straight. You get what I say? But, question, you want to stay or are you going back down?
Me I go down.
Yeah, go down, sure. Alright, so anytime you want to meet sister, you can just meet me here.
Alright.
Alright.
So give me a hug now.
Sure you want to go down?
Oh? Yeah, me sure. Well, next time we stay, man, yeah?
You must see my place or your place, yeah?
Alright, have a wonderful day.
How far you go?
How far?
Next hug. I'm going next hug.
Later, man. See you if you late.
Can't see later, yeah? Alright, later.
Alright.
Yeah. I'm full of hair, you're good.
Alright.
Take time out here.
Alright.
Watch it answer, man, the mosquito.
Me now make them bite me.
Alright. Judge it.
Sis.
I pray, my sister.
What, man?
They are trying straighten up, but the place hot. Jesus, I'll leave it, man.
They are trying to straighten up and sit down. People can't straighten up and sit down.
Hot, man.
But I sit down in there without fans, so you're not most hot.
More feeling natural breeze. Pass. You see all the door, the breeze you come through your window.
So what happened?
There, girl.
You're just there, so.
Just there, so. I take all hard life easy.
For real, man. Why? I have something more to talk to you about. And it could talk over phone. I did have to come over here. You realize I'm not even calling until I say I come?
I'm married, I got married.
Not yet.
Then I saw me enough. Me don't know what me just I say because me want to know what so me can't talk it over phone.
Listen now. You know say from the day more.
What's this so see.
From the day more talk to you about somebody when we meet.
Somebody with me.
Yes, me and him I talk for a while now. Like, you know, the phone talk, words of encouragement, and so me I develop feelings, like deep feelings where we just fall in love with him. And that's so quick. How long it take for you to love somebody? No, talk to me.
And that's why I can't see you. Oh, no wonder why bro called me last week into this week. Say, what here they? And me I say, here there. So, a man you fine and your brother they are foreign. I worry about you and me there. I wonder if
I don't really say man me fine, but sometimes me and the guy they pass phone and bro they call, they disturb the little call, you know understand?
Yeah, all along you used to hang up call for your bro. What's about this man ya? I want to know this man when he come from, when he live, when he stay, when he eat, when he sleep. Because if he make us sure and pan this hurt, you know, sister, no, your sister look good, I want good for you, no girl.
You not reach to this, so. Listen, you not reach to this. When I tell you, say, the guy just sweep me off from my feet, me I tell you, know, like when you're 16, sis, and you just fall in love.
Sis, what you know? Between me, you know. Me no say man bad, you know, but then come good. Just watch yourself, you know, my sister.
No, man, you see that guy here, trust me. Indifferent. When I say different, in just, I don't know, unique is one of a kind, girl.
Yeah, I'm going to ask you 2 questions. How long you know this man?
What Carly says 6 months now or so.
You know if you have no woman, Tia? Tia, man, you move too fast now. My sister, me love you more. You want the best for you, you know, and your brother worry about you, you know, girl. What you mean by man dey on phone so bro call on your phone? You know something should have
Alright, listen what I say now. Listen what I say.
Can't tell him bro this now, you know. You must say that's not here. And it don't look like a lie, me I tell.
And me and you talk and me and bro. That's listen what I say.
No.
Sis, as a woman to woman, me I talk to you. Bro, no need to get involved right now. Listen what I say.
Yeah.
No, that's listen for true. The guy, I don't know how to tell her this. Him have a woman, you know.
And your is getting hot.
But listen now.
He do what he have one. What?
That's
Good for sister.
That's this what I say now. And I like me don't know about it. I know about it. But it complicated, Sean. Like them not the pan now.
Sis, me love you. Me tell you the truth. You're a mascot.
Mascot for love somebody, Sean.
You're a mascot for love a man with a woman.
Alright, listen. You never see a relationship yet we just now work. So that I go on with the two of them, they now work out. So me know.
If you now work out with him and the woman, to work out with you, him and the woman. Sis, it don't make no sense. No matter how good him be to you. My sister, you deserve way better than that. You don't need no man we have one woman. Look for my sister. Look for you. You can get white man, black man, Chinese man, Kingston man, Negro man, every man. And you want good David man.
Well, I hear at this guy.
You know, say that's what. Me I go record you. Your brother.
Shan, put fun and joke aside. Me I tell her something. Me I tell her how me feel.
You want advice, Tia? My sister, you want advice? Okay, stay in the relationship, test out the relationship, and when the relationship gets stronger, you tell me. See me give advice, my sister. Just be careful. Feel better? You know me love you, man.
It don't have nothing to do with be careful, sis. Me like the guy and the guy like me.
Yeah, Tia, but anything can happen in the meanwhile you are liking him and he is like
let me ask you a question. Suppose me that talk to him and he having a woman and me no know. Me know and me choose to work with you, know,
well, that's a form of honesty, but
and me choose to work with you, so me know what me I put
sis,
up
me just
with.
love you and care for you. Me just don't want nothing to happen to you. I love you and I want the best for you. So I'm just being that overprotective sister. And look how you're nice, my sister. Me don't want no boy. You think want no boy come around for you? Eh? Me a little sister and you're a bigger one. So if you say that's what you want, I can't stop you. But my advice is no make not even strong. I'm want to know him soon.
That is what me come over here to tell you. Me want you to meet him.
Okay. When?
But me just not know when the right time come, and very soon too. Very soon me gonna talk to him about it and then me gonna make you meet up.
Oh, that sound like a deal. Alright.
But anyways, me come go.
Alright, that sound like one.
And nobody tell bro nothing, please.
No, me not tell him.
Me
not tell him until. Cause if he make it. No, not even seminars ready, not yet.
Shan, just not tell bro. That's all me I beg you to do. Later, love you.
Yeah, before you leave. Please, I am begging you, Tia. In Jesus' name of mighty God, we speak here. Please call your brother, cause when you can't get to him, call me and me.
Alright, no worry about bro. Me deal with bro. Me I'll call him.
Yes, make
later.
sure you call him, please. Right. Jesus Christ, Father God. I wonder if Tia really and truly know why am I getting himself in our way, Madu. How the hell, Tia, for fall for smaddy? We're already in love with the next person. Or Tia, if you go fall for somebody, we have man, we have woman. Me all chat foolishness, so me confused. This is not my sister. Eh? See it there? Me not even telling you same brother come, you know. Not telling you same brother come, cause me want him brother surprise him when brother love we. And then the next thing again now, me have to meet that man there. Happy. But who can cook me and meet him now? Eh? Look at me independent, nice brother. Worry yourself, bro. Love you. Can't wait to see you. Can't wait for you come. Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh baby, you know. Yesterday my brother come check up on me, you know. And when him come here, he come catch me a smoke and he take it for me. And say I don't like them something there, better me drink or me play sad music or something, but you know like when woman smoke. Which me agree with him, you know, but it's stress, man. It just they get too much, they get overbearing. Yeah, me understand that. But here me I go do. We've been a try, as me. So me not feel say me just not feel say this a go work no more. So might as well me just call it quits and make him go for him way and me go my way. Cause we wait till we self to be happy, as me. And I might try, and me dey try. But by the end of the day, it's just not working. Yeah, me have to do. But babes, thanks for the money you send me. I really appreciate it. You're one good person. But what can it be? You not tell me when you come. Look how long I tell me see you so flying all them can see. You don't feel some more see you now. Come on, B man. Just tell me no want no surprise. Just tell me when you come. I don't want no surprise. Speaking of the devil, listen to me, my brother just come here, so give me like 5 minutes and I'll call him back, okay? Alright, honey. Okay, bye.
What, gentlemen?
But already.
Sister! You find love! Sorry, my sister. I do my corona, I see your face glowing. You have to put a smile on my face too.
You just torment someone.
Yesterday, I tell you I'm going to check in. You never look so happy at all. You look sad.
Well,
But I make me carry a pill and a water for you. But all me I tell the shopkeeper say I want hot water. They tell me say I pay cold on you. I don't know what kind of shop.
your lifesaver, you know me, they are killing me. I'm lazy if you talk about one pill.
Sister, you know say I'm a sister.
Come like
and
a
tell you,
woman.
you not happy? So me can happy. So me just know say you still have a headache. So me have to stop a shop and get a pill for you.
Well, you had the other day yesterday, I'm stressing out, but I think say I kind of make up my mind now. Make up my mind.
Make up your mind. Like with your coloring book.
I love me about one thing mommy always say, if I love a person, I love him enough, you let him go. You see me? Make him go live in life.
Yeah. So you any more conversation about that yet?
No, but soon. As soon as we feel better.
Well, sis, as I say, you have to just do what to make you happy. Because I over here and I just say, I have to come over here and check on you because I know you're not okay. So I just want to go and check and see if you're alright. Because yesterday you tell me say I go to sleep. I don't call you last night, but I say, no, so better I just go and check you in the morning.
Everybody have their own 4 o'clock, you know, so I guess me and coloring book have 4 o'clock, so relationship just not work, it just not working.
Well,
but now we can't force water uphill.
Just look like we're never meant to be together because I tell you, yeah, somebody can in a relationship for you 10 years and I know you that the person they meant to be for. You understand? But me I try to still. I like how me forward and me see a smile on your face because it look like the person where you talk to, he might make you happy. And coloring book now make you happy again. Which me never really want to go the way your coloring book break up.
Hold on, speaking of coloring book, when last you see him? He might eat, how he look, he might lose weight or what? He good, he not stress.
Sis, what me have to say to you, I don't think if you ask me them the question there. I feel like you have to go over there go check and see what he do. But see him how you look, I saw him look.
I don't like something I want checking about a feel base. You and my friend, me can ask so you can tell me.
And that me I try say, I never want to go the way there, but how you have to do what you have to do to make you happy. You understand? Because I really love to see two on together, but anything you do, me I work with it. But coloring book are my general. You understand? So I don't want you feel like say the person you talk to me now go accept him. Me I accept him. You understand? But coloring book, I'm a general that. So you have to just do what you have to do to make you happy. I'm like coming forward and you smile. I love that. So just go and take it easy, sis. And I said, I'm a happy person where I talk to. I hope I'm the right one for you.
Of course, I hope so to even do an overseas in there.
What, Shanaman? Overseas in there, sis?
What about with it?
And a long time I have this shirt and right now I tell you say some polo shirt. I want to tell you, sis.
No,
Desert clocks.
You don't say every time.
You have to tell him saying brother-in-law want a shoes, man. Yeah, this sis, man.
Alright, when you come and you meet him, because he tell him saying probably soon come. So when you come and you meet him, you talk to him about the part there.
You have to give me your number, me and him talk.
No. When you come
and credit more up on my phone there, sis. I joke, baby.
You're a ramping, man. You have to tap it. You grow up, no, man.
I saw more see you smile, man.
you, man.
Or yourself, man. I make a link. I go down on the road there, so just call me if anything.
We go feel water and me feel much
You eat nothing
better.
for a morning?
Yeah, me eat, man. Me eat picky now and then, you know. Get something, man.
Alright.
Just make sure, ensure coloring book eat, because we still care about him a lot. So just ensure he eat. Please, me beg you, ensure he eat. It may not be much, but ensure he eat.
Alright, I look about it, but as I say, I go down on the road, so if you feel like you want something, just call me.
Yeah, man.
I remember to tell the foreign man, say 9 New Year.
Come go on my business.
Please love you later here.
Alright.
You know, so I can't come deal with it now. Yeah, just give me till next week. I can't go through some little thing right now. Personal.
Yeah.
I mean, call back. Yeah.
Why you never tell me say I'm woman? Alright, that's rumor.
Hey, I run in from the veranda so like something happen.
Come here, call you know, answer your phone.
The signal now pick up someone. Glad you didn't pick up.
A rumor spread.
Say what?
Say I'm woman.
So that's
So
how
I
you
know it, I must rumor, you're not Cali.
so to go run from the road, so you switch so and lose
Yeah,
belly.
I just come from supermarket.
So sure you hear that?
Right down a dandan shop.
Don't a dandan shop.
Down there, that me need to go in that shop, I hear me them attacking.
So all hotspot people are hotspotty.
Everything. I chose
We not left bridge, we just take a look at space.
no, sir. The time born a space and no relationship no go on space and they still together.
For me relationship take space. For me and my woman relationship take space. Space not say we left. Space we just need some time to think about certain things.
And you move out? May I see you move out?
Toga, I hear you here or you down there. Chat them. What you hear smart?
No, may I hear me ear.
So what you say? Alright, them a chat. What you say?
Me say you know kind, me no think it go sir. And that me not say. But me not say nothing more than that, you know.
Toga, yeah, me a big man. I am a bridging. Can't hide it from you. Me not go say we left. But, bro, like every minute we left, we go back, we left, we go back. It's
Like
like,
cartel, sir.
yeah, bro. The cartel never have nothing
How
over
many
this.
times you go back now?
But I may try to tell you and I understand, Toga. Remember saying I go through one straight relationship, you know, half a relationship I go through, you know. You see me? Me go through one full relationship. Remember so long from I come back from foreign half a farm work me and her there, you know. Bro, it's like I don't cheat, she a cheat, I don't cheat, me a cheat. It just not work out.
So yeah, go back. Can't believe, yo, a phone relationship, me look up to you, know?
You see, and you look up to full relationship and fear to come up where you can motivate
I
me to
mean,
go
say,
back.
for me never yet there, look how long you know there.
Toga,
Me never yet
me
there that
listen.
girl so long.
Me understand why I said that you look up to we and I respect that, me feel proud. I same thing Poppy done, but bro, you see sometime in a life, like when I deal with a person dog,
Me go for woman, me they couldn't talk about it. I can't believe.
you know I'm gonna work Toga. To be honest, you know I'm gonna work. Me love her but me not really in love with her again. And me have to face the fact and she have to face the fact. The greatest thing you never have a woman where you and him left and buy an idea on the left but on the good. And that a level is where me and mama are up on right now. Bro, me a
Yeah,
Are you my guy?
coloring book.
babes, forward. Walk on.
Oh, go on, babes.
Tia. My friend Toga, my friend Tia.
Your friend?
Oh, Toga, Tia, Toga.
Hi,
Nice
Toga.
to meet you. Respect
My name is
yourself, man.
Tia, coloring book girlfriend.
No friend, like,
No, girlfriend.
Girlfriend.
oh, girlfriend. You understand me, answer?
Girlfriend.
So,
Girlfriend. So you are going. You ain't talk here.
Yeah, man, me catch up, bro.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright, nice to meet
I'm
you.
saying I'm friend.
Don't get.
I'm saying I'm friend. Alright.
Yeah, man. Look more.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, later.
Come on there, come on there. Come on.
I pray.
It's a girlfriend. Me I never, I don't.
You need to say I go somewhere look well.
I'm gonna go check it. I'm gonna check it.
Yeah, man. Don't do what you deal with, man.
Alright.
Yeah, you get it?
No, I get it, man.
Alright, look more.
Alright, girlfriend.
Alright.
You say you're cute. Toga say you're cute.
Oh God, so so strange.
At first when you see one girl look cute, so man, that's why. You see every minute man look on you.
Man, I want that too, but not for that now.
So,
You know, so why you come over here though? I think
alright, me want hear what you said then. Cause I come like me put my foot up there so you know remember what you go say. Someone
no,
hear
you
what
just more you put your body part.
Alright, hold on. Alright. That better?
No.
So what now? What you say about
Oh, I think I time for you meet my sister now. Like, this is the moment. The time come.
Meet your
No.
sister?
Yeah, today. No.
Tomorrow?
No, man, today. Today that'll be a better day. Me did tell me I'll go over there. But me just come here so first we carry go over there same time with me.
And things say that good?
Yeah, my sister don't have a problem with it.
You sure?
I want to buy it too.
His shirt, sweaty man, 3 sun hot like a scratch.
So
And is she good with that?
she alright with it, she okay. I don't understand.
Babes.
You not okay with it? You don't want to meet my sister?
I want to meet your sister, but me just where you say your sister cool.
My sister cool. She good like that.
Alright then. Can I go meet her then?
Are you nervous?
Just look a bit. I understand. Just look a bit.
You don't need to nervous, be.
Me know say if you go meet somebody for me, some family member, you want to feel a bit nervous. Right?
Right.
So I'm just nervous, me not cold, me just nervous look a bit.
Alright.
But you're right, I think it's time for me meet your sister. So we can go meet your sister.
So my sister understand say me into you and you into me. So she not have nothing to say about me. You understand me?
But you ain't tell your sister look how situation I'm in, you know?
Yes. Yeah, me tell her.
And what she say?
She never saw. She good, man. She good. Believe me, she
I feel
good.
like that's the reason why I'm nervous. But anyhow, you have to just do what you have to do.
She good. Me got it under control.
Alright, go just do what you have to do. You sure say she good?
Me positive, be. Just stop worrying, man.
Alright, come on.
Say not like a girl.
She good, man.
Sis! Come now.
No, that's a man.
Sis!
Oh, yeah, who not there? Here.
Girl, come now. Where around there, do? Come here, man.
Girl, I jump me up full of to get water. Oh,
Me there, you good?
yes, it's nice, man.
No.
Hi.
Coloring book, this is Shan. Shan, this is coloring book. So Shan, this is my boyfriend and me that tell about. The guy when me talk to you about.
Shani. Nice to meet you.
So, nice to meet you. But, you're more you do for me. Cause my sister way easy for the fast.
Tell me, man.
You see my sister? I play with my sister. As a matter of fact, I don't play with my family. You see my brother and my sister, I don't play with them. You see my sister? You see how my sister talk about you? She never really do that with nobody else. So my sister say, he love strong. It's strong for fear side. I don't know you for Adam, sir. I mean, I judge you. And me overheard the situation. Say you have your spouse or your whatever we want. I heard. So my sister will just a feeling that little gap there with this so cause me so no so 200.
Well, your sister is not a spear or a gap. Basically, she a part of the car. And basically, she show move from the door and fill in as the engine. And one more thing, you're not going to play with your sister or your brother. But me I go there here to play with your sister. If that's alright with you. I'm going to make sure so when I play with her, she like it and can tell about it. And what is your sister?
Sir,
I care for her.
I beg you no please because you see this family here, the only time this family get mad is when it comes to family matter like this. I'm just with my sister.
To be
I
honest,
love my sister.
to be honest, like everything where Tia describe you, I really see it, but I feel good and I appreciate it because I like a person who can talk their mind. You go to me and say you talk your mind and show me say you are your sister and you want me to treat her good.
And my sister, yeah, treat her good, but me just say I hope you keep it up, sir, and stick with the honesty. And don't make nobody around hurt her, because me go hurt you. But coloring book, sir. Something really about me, you know.
Like what?
And I have to just start my mind. So, you have your personal. You and my sister becomes to start talk. So, how you plan to do this? What you plan to do? What you plan to go around all of this? Because anybody forget hurt right as my sister, you know.
You know, say you're right, but them say in a life for a year one. And when Father God open me door, nobody can close it. And by any idea, I may open fear door. And me have to close it, and you know, plan to close right now. Maybe one and two boy or girl. You have to just trust me, we should not know me. And she have to just trust me and she trust me. And I promise you, I'm not going to hurt your sister. Because I don't really want to face you when you're angry.
Yeah, me not so nice when me hungry. Worse when it comes to family hungry.
So I'm really glad to look at talk, you know. Me feel nervous now, I kind of feel a little bit better. You know, and stuff, so.
And me not have nothing against you, you know. Just do it right.
Yeah, man,
I will do good.
I do it right, man. You see me, so I was say nice to meet you again,
So
Sean.
sis, alright. So sis,
Me not look alright, Sean.
yeah. Just make sure say it.
1 second, Aliyah call me, 1 second. Yeah, B. Yeah, man, right, pray.
Only Alia.
In girlfriend.
Right now?
In front of me and you.
Okay, alright, me I come, yeah, man, me I come check you right now, alright.
Anybody
You
forget
want talk?
hurt you, Bobby.
Alright.
Pick him out of me hand.
Babe, I really deal with something very, very important. So, you what you do for me? When you finish talking to your sister, I really like talk to you up a yard. Soon come here. Tia.
You see it, then I have no sense. See it there? That me sit down and talk to you about. Inna me, yeah. Inna me. I try first.
Sean, just
Yeah, dear, over my sister, you're going to talk about. Yeah, me.
Sean, just understand that
Fix a life.
What about my life need to fix, Sean?
Fix.
It is a situation
Fix
ship.
your life. The situation ship a go cause your heart and your mind and your brain, you lose yourself. You go through depression. See that depression starts. See Hannah, listen, fix your life. Cause you see me right now. Me I get dark, you know.
Here what, Sean? Here what? Enough of this. Me and my own big old man. Me no pick me. Me and a 15 and 16-year-old Shan. So you need to understand how me want to live my life. Me live my life how me choose to live my life. So make me make my own mistake.
Yeah, go make a mistake. You're trying to find me piece of board gate.
God, no. I know when me get myself in a, like, me really love this, I really love coloring book in a youth. When my sister tell me a true, but the feelings that me have for coloring book, me just God no. Oh God, what me I gonna do?
Bro, from Evelyn, me I try call you. Yes. Me say you have one sister named Tia. Tia not here at all, bro. Yes, she not hearing. Tia fall in love with a man we having woman. Tia care the man come introduce me, bro. Introduce me to the man disrespect Tia in front of me by answering woman call yeah babes in my yard. What you mean by say that? Alright, here more you do. More you call a sister, call Tia. Call her and talk to her. Cause bro, between me and a long time, me and Wally, you know. She beg me no fi tell her, you know.
Yeah.
Alright then, yeah man, call her. Alright. Good girl.
You good? Good man, me just miss it, eh?
Same here, but
So you big? How you manage?
let's just say me I manage.
See it, man.
Just say,
See, say I try to put the best outside.
yeah, me I take one step at a time. But I mean, I got so really hard. But I think if I write, how to put it?
Me understand what you want to say. Like, me can feel the energy. Like, me know what you're going to say. But before you say what you say, me just say something very clear. Me can't deny the fact, say, I love you. And me always gonna love you. Me always gonna love you. The point is, and like we have a breakup, you cheat or me cheat. We been a try. You a try, me a try. We left. We devil left. And I feel like sometimes when I love a person, I like the best thing I feel just let go. Feel better for me and you. You see me, but I'm just grateful for the years that we spent. Cause I come from foreign and book you off a farm work. I'm just grateful the time I spend. Sometimes things done for me and you're there. I'm not going to let go them there. You see me, so I just really thank you for being in my life and did it with me.
Well, still me go see you, you know. Still me go see you. But this is not the end of it. We might have a break up and so off, but if me see a road, me not pass you. It's me always gonna do this for you.
I can't say you really think about this a lot.
I best. I feel best.
Always painful on the earth.
And me can say me love you and there I hold you back for happiness. Me can't do that. I mean I think that right.
I don't even know if I have a privilege to say be the same way, but anyhow, still have a past together where we enjoy most happiness. So we still can't say babes. During the fact, we have a good space with quite few months now, because I'm just gonna be honest, I can't lie to you. I don't know how we say it, but during the fact, we space out for a little while and we not try to make up things. You never like book a person and book that person as a friend. And like deep down, it's like it mean more. I never realize it mean more.
Person help you.
Right. To be honest, I not say this year, but I just book a person and I even know so she means so much to me.
No, I don't know what this man, cause it's just like when you book a person will help you through this. Me book a person as well will help me through this. We sit down and talk to me and let me know say yeah. If you don't want to, you don't want to, but you feel know.
So
So as long as you happy, that's all matters.
So basically you tell me say you talk to somebody like maybe in a deep relationship where you talk to somebody.
Yeah, but the person, yeah.
So like you really like him, you really care about him.
Yeah, and he make me feel good about myself too and so on. So why not he make me happy? So all then if you don't just be happy.
You know, so if you think about this whole situation, the love the fuck is we just honest with yourself and basically you say you're happy with the person and me happy with the person when me I talk about and we honest to one another. Maybe I just really miss out our relationship and we can't find it back.
Reasonably.
You see me and you want to come like because we love one another we are forced out of the ill. So you're really happy with that person.
Yeah, I'm happy man. As you say, and I try and see how far this can take me.
Right.
And I want a good person.
To be honest, when you call me, I'm nervous, but you know, I'm just happy now, new for myself, but for you, if you know, say, we are going through a lot of things for quite few months now, and you find somebody who can make you happy. I'm really happy for you, I'm really glad for you. And it hurt me, for me I say that, but at least I just feel best for both of us. You see me? I'm really appreciate the fact you can't tell me the same thing too.
I feel best man. Feel best.
So, even if we say this I want to break up, we just go separate.
Go separate, yes.
So, during a relationship, from my heart, I just wish you all the best. But we couldn't find back in our relationship.
At least we're finding somebody else. You are finding me, I find it. But it's two way, just not finding it together. Understand? So, the best, I feel best, man.
One more thing, like, what you with us, we just keep quiet, and the reason why I need to come check you, or I need to call them, I just feel like, if I need to call you or you call me, you want to make the situation better.
When I make it worse, so make God feel your space. Make your space and make the Lord say, give me my space to think over things.
Channel, let me say, just I pray to Father God for both of us relationship just work out. So just grab a little few things and we have here, isn't it?
Yeah, in the same place. So I guess
coloring book look like you come from a supermarket, man. And I bag for me.
Just saying I'm good mood and I'm popular.
How you go buy clothes?
Bag you got nice like me though.
Let's me can the bag of my father.
If you want, you can get some.
But what go on there do? Where face looks on my father? What go on, G? You know you can't talk to me about anything, you know. What go on?
Sorry. My sister left you out.
Jaja, so no really make the final agreement now about a relationship.
You want all this thing you have to do in my life. Look at your sister. I know so she over there crying now because she have let me go, bro.
Boy, as me that telling her before, so me name want to go the way, you know. I mean, as me tell her, say, see, space business, me not like it, space business. You're a good youth, you know. And my sister a good girl to you, know, but me don't know what going on in a relationship make it reach as a one no good. Me don't know. I must say only in it and only have to know. You see me? I mean, they want to work out on anything. Because I see people fall off a track with their relationship and build up back their relationship. So I never want a relationship because of you.
But we're going to try, you know.
Feel you know me.
We try. I can't blame her and I can't blame myself. We try.
That's true.
We try. More one time, a month now we are trying.
So, as she move out?
So we just come to, both of us just come to an agreement. So better we just go separate ways. I tell her the truth, so I have somebody when I kind of talk to. Not a confirmed relationship. Also, she tell me say I have somebody when I talk to.
Well,
at least she honest and
at least you no be honest to one another said way. That for sure so no ratings to one another said way.
Although she sad by saying that you can't see her like, even when she say it like you can't see her really care about a person. The hardest thing you have to hug. Hug her look quiet and cry. As a man born a week, but I just cry, bro.
Why? I only hope still in the future, maybe one day, we can see two on together again. You see me? It might be just can't work out now. I must say a whole heap of time we all try all do all one work, you know, and then I work out, you know, and then when you go try again, you know, all a year later, a few months later, you know, man, you get it, you know, man. So maybe I just know it's time for you work out now. Maybe in the future I can work out again.
Them say me that 3 times and cut 1 time. The amount of time we measure, we just cut now you would. Bro, in real life, we just glad for you as a brother-in-law because you want real G dog.
I mean, man.
You always go be brother-in-law.
Are you say me I come check you know? You know say I go check my sister earlier and she tell me say yo she really feel a way or no good on you understand, but she don't want it to happen, but it have to happen. She asked me say if you eat she just asked me some questions to show that she still care about you. You see me, and she asked me say how you go on with everything. And I tell her I say yo you have to just go check him.
Puppy and me know so she care. Bro.
And you care.
And me care. But me just wish her all the best, bro. I want she happy. If me can't make her happy, me want she happy. And if she can't make me happy, me know so if me happy, she go happy. I just one of them day, dog. Bro, watching me just need some time by myself, dog.
Life for life, you know.
Here.
Who feels it, knows it.
You see me?
Just go on, Wally. Firm ground, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
You me the call link still, but just go on, hold them still. You see me? You have to say dog feel, you know. Only hoping. No matter what over there to backside. Cause I can't get no more money for borrow from him for pay all my cable bill. Worse right now, my sister left. Cause I'm my brother-in-law again. But I'm a virgin still, you know, Wally, a G.
Bro. What's wrong with you, bro? Me understand say I tell me to call her for a win, but you know if you understand say in my life, you know. Shanda pack up your head with one bag of foolishness. Bro, me just not in high mood right now. Bro, me good. What you mean by me not good watch? You hearing my voice, my sound tremble. I just sound like the things that me I go through right now. Just understand now, bro. Bro, me am my own big woman. I that me I try to tell Shan. Me can't hang on myself. When you have plan to come? You see, you have plan to come to Jamaica, you not tell me when you come, but you want me to tell you my business, bro. You and Shan for just billing on you what? Bro, I understand what you say. I understand. I know you know everything, but I can't hang on myself. Me talk to you later. Yeah.
Yeah. I want to go on so. I want you to move out.
May I go back home?
So why you go back home?
Climb. But me just tired of everything and listen. It reach a one point where me that try to work with the situationship, but me can't work with it no more. Me I get hurt. Like me literally me just feel like my life a fall apart. You know what really upset me? Let me tell you what really upset me. Me care gonna meet my sister, right? And me and you know say your girlfriend always call. You know say you silence the call till me and leave from my sister, or you go out of the gate, you stand up right behind her and yes babe, yes babe. Like what kind of style that coloring book? Tell me what kind of style, how that I gonna look for me? You know you have a girl over there a cuss me and a jeopard. If you ever hear coloring book, you not even understand what me and go through.
Your sister cuss you. Basically, I understand what you feel and what you go through, you know. But the only thing I ask you to do, I trust me. That's not hard for you. You can't trust a person and you cry, you feel pain, you go through a lot of things. But the only thing I ask you to do, I trust me. But basically, I say, okay, I make a mistake. Yeah, I could have stepped outside and answer my phone. But the only person I tell you, say, Ali call me, are you. Remember, say your sister no know name Ali, you know. But me get it clear, say your sister try to corrupt your head.
It's not about corrupt my head coloring book. Right now, me in a miggle. Like, see me here, see you see a woman here. It's like me a fight for something. Me get what you say, everything. Me understand what go on. From the start, me know and me decided to work with it. But come on now, coloring book.
Tia, tell me what in a life easy. Tell me what in a life you can just go take up and get. Everything in a life you have to fight for. Money, love, friend, relationship, Father God. You have to fight for what you believe in and what you love. And I don't believe in it. The only thing I ask you to do is trust me. So if you want to move out, I'm not going to stop you. You sure you want to go?
I'm telling you. I don't really want to go, but I have to put myself first. I prefer to hurt myself now to make somebody else hurt me. That is all me I say. And right now I feel like I get hurt. I come in a relationship because see you and your woman and I go leave you and your woman in and out. I can't do this no more.
Yeah, before you go.
Can't do this no more.
Before you go. Tell somebody in the race. Yeah, first, second and third. First always get a prize. Third always get a prize. Second always get a prize. Not because the person come first, that means say second and third not in value are important. You're still in the race. You don't know when you will come first. If you come out of the race, how you going to know if you will come first. Matter of fact, if you want to go here, just go on. But I want thing I will tell you. You see, if you deserve me, you will get me. I say me deserve you, me I go get you.
Sorry, can't do this no more. But just need some time, like, I need some time to process all of this and know what me really I do.
Father God, I beg you just help me and guide me. Me just lose much ear out of relationship. Me just guide me, Father God. Please, me I beg you just guide me. Me can make a right choice. Me love to you, but me just give you a little space and a little time. Me, myself right now, want a little space and a little time, Father God, to make the right decision.
Alright, bro. Already feeling for one. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro.
Yo,
How go on?
this man just come from my veranda, someone.
Where you come, man? Where you come? I'm see a woman down the road there.
What I'm telling you now, every minute you come on me, I have a problem. Which girl?
Big bag ass. I wish I go.
Oh, Tia?
Eh.
Jesus.
Tia with big bag ass.
What you hear now? You hear say Tia left? No, you hear down a Dan bar say Tia left?
No, me not.
Because Tia just left yourself, so you can't hear down a Dan bar say Tia just
No,
left.
me not good.
The Wi-Fi now pick up so good.
Me not good over that number yet. But me see her with the bag I walk out. So me I wonder if I throw her out.
No, me not sure her out and she not left. She gone over her sister.
Oh, you can buy me a juice.
Me not have no money, Toga.
You don't have money?
No, me not have no money.
You're fresh, you know.
Me frost. Me brain frost, me pocket frost, me
You buy a
life.
juice.
Me
Can you
life
see?
frost.
Can you come like you're stressed already? You buy a juice.
You want to give me money for buy juice? You not gonna come back for it.
No, man, say buy a juice.
Say if
No
you
good,
give
man.
hold on, if you give me this a 5 bills tomorrow or next week, you're not gonna ask me back for
No,
it.
ask you back for it.
God,
You see, I got you stress and problem in a woman name. I still have 2 women now. I want.
So I'm making $500.
No, me
Can you come like you pay me to find out and go in my
me
business?
just ask you a question.
What you say, Toga?
If I want woman, I have a number.
I want no man me have
Yeah,
Toga.
mama good enough.
Me and mama left, Toga. Though you say that Dan Wi-Fi, Dan for Wi-Fi now pick up. Me and mama
But
left.
she gone. Say no gone. You think say you gone.
Toga,
Oh.
let me break it down to you. He's off for internet. He's off for the WhatsApp, the TikTok, anything. He's off for status. Me give you. More you listen out of my mouth.
Alright,
Me and mama left.
we good.
Ever we left. Me and Tia where you see gone down, you saw the suitcase them and clothes them in wash and gone over and sister gone hang them out. Cause brighter sun over there.
Don't you start to say online.
And a full line that you say a tenement yard this. And a full line that we can't give pam people and full line bust down. Anyhow.
So now the band this side here.
Look out also. You see sun out also? No, look. You see sun out also?
So Sunday on the side there.
Sun up on Finn's sister side. Yes. And you have something over there. When you name satellite dish or whatever you want name. Toga, me know in a one good mood right now. Cause me just break up how much year out a relationship with me woman. You know, and
Broke up.
Toga, you are one. What is? Never go
No
back.
man, that good this man, that good man. You ain't see me just buy a juice.
Alright,
Buy a
respect.
beer, man.
Me a go
Buy a
in.
beer.
Yeah.
Just go and angle the situation.
Yeah,
and
man, look
me
more.
talk and see me.
Yeah.
But you say she gonna wash clothes.
Jesus Christ, Father God. You know you want me to sell coil?
Me just have to find out exactly how
You know say me all on you. A 2G me have you know. phone brain and 5G and 4G, so you're not. Yeah, it's a tape.
Alright.
Okay, it's a tape.
Yeah. She got wash clothes. But sun no shine everywhere. Oh, sun over this road. So, I'm going to go and dan go see what one. Sun no shine on that side. Must know what I got.
Tia, I know what I think. I go on here so. Tia, so you come in here, that look and the drying up me here, make me know say in here. Tia, you see when me did that talk about my sister? You see me did tell her say you gonna get hurt, you know. Me did tell her say you gonna get a shitty NI stick. Tia, look what my sister, look what you put yourself in a girl. If me never love your mood, I tell her the truth. Look how you mash up yourself because a boy and a woman. You eat for man in here? So you're gonna make because I want crosses, boy. You not eat. Me the want him, you know?
No call him no crosses. Don't call him no crosses. Him no crosses.
You not learn sense. What person not work? Jeez. You not work, Tia. Tia, have little. Me said we can put little sense in you.
Shan, stop that no man. Just build no Shan.
But yeah, Tia, you go say me no fi call him no crosses. Him a crosses to hurt my sister. And me not like that. Tia, look how you look. Me no like this, sis. This is not my sister. Me no like this here, Tia. Cheer up yourself, girl.
Me a go cheer up in a Chan.
This too shall pass.
Listen, me understand what you say. And you did right all along. You understand? You did right all along. And me get the hurt. And me put myself in the situation to get the hurt. But
Yes, sis, but
that's life. Me just feel a way.
Me wish if I did list. Me wish if I could have just brainwash you from that crap. Every man had that shit, you know? All of them are crosses.
I know me believe you.
And that me did that.
Hello.
Oh,
Yeah.
Hello,
Sean.
sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, what takes you here? What your problem here, sir? Because you don't really have no need here, so you know.
Well, you know, sir, to be honest, just there see me can talk to Tia for a minute, please.
You want to talk to Tia for a minute, please? Me never warn you. Me never tell you, say, if you hurt my sister, me I go damage you.
To be honest, you say what you have to say. I don't think I hurt your sister.
Eh?
I don't think I hurt
The
your
other
sister.
day you come in my yard, I go answer baby in my yard in front of my sister, and you go say you not hurt my sister. My sister na, me I go make you talk to my sister na, but my sister na come nowhere with you. If you go say, he ma come back to your yard, you
Shan,
can
it's
talk to my
alright.
sister.
Me talk to me.
And if he make your head at you, you call me. Cause me
Shan,
not
it's
like
alright.
him. Me not like
handle
him.
myself.
Me not like nobody who hurt my family them. Boy, you want to talk to sister.
Tia,
This coloring book.
basically, I'm sorry. If I hurt you, I'm really sorry for whatever go on towards me in a relationship. Basically, you don't really know what go on before you forward and you go after you forward. But that is no excuse. You get what me I say? You feel hurt regardless what role you
Hello.
have in my life.
Hello. Me not cut off. I don't come you come back for hurt my sister again. You come with a sweet mouth. Wait. What is this? I beg. What is this? What is this?
Can't talk to your sister, please.
Shan.
What is this now?
Can't talk to
Shan,
your
just
sister,
let me
please.
and the man reason up, please. Just let me hear him out.
Let's see how long it go take you for gain sense.
You have no remote, can't pause
Make
that
it,
for a
make
minute.
it. No.
Sorry.
Alright, so basically, as what me I say, me have good news and me have bad news. Try to do my one first. Alright, let me just tell you the bad news first. The bad
Shan,
news,
go over this a little now. Yeah, turn up right this one.
the bad news is alright, let me tell you what I want. I really want you moving back with me.
Where is he?
I want you moving back with me. And the reason I want you moving back with me, permanent. You see me?
Permanently.
Not quarter or half. Fully.
So weird.
Fully.
I either to take me for the hunt. You have your woman and it don't look like so you and your woman are left no time soon. And you want me for moving back with you permanently? What you say to me?
This what me I say.
I'm not supposed to
Me say,
laugh.
me have good news and me have bad news. The bad news is me and my woman left. Permanent. And
You're
my
not left, like left. When you decide to not left and it done.
left, done. I'm going to move.
So wait there. Me have it all for myself now?
All for yourself. You can change when you want to change. You can forward, you can rewind, you can press play.
Wait.
All for yourself.
Foolish
Run
one.
it again, run it
Foolish
again.
spinning mommy
All
have.
for yourself.
Foolish one.
So, you happy? You say you're happy.
Yeah, me really happy, like really and truly happy.
Your
like,
phone a ring.
Wait no.
Me hear vibration like.
Me don't answer the call, you hear?
Your phone a ring. Me hear vibration like.
Sean,
Hello?
Sean, listen.
Sir.
Listen.
Sir.
Bro,
I
I'm
may
gone.
start off on the wrong foot, but I apologize for that. I guarantee you, I promise me, I'll make a sister very, very happy.
You know if you
What you
promise
say?
and guarantee and do nothing to me. Car. I'm
You
just
there,
only
Jamaica?
listening.
It's alright. You hear me?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. This is the part that I like.
Oh, so you want to see me?
Yes, this is the part that I like. I like this part now.
Alright. Yes. No, bro. No. Alright.
Babe, you good?
Yeah, me alright.
So I can have good news. Oh.
You remember my brother and my dad tell about overseas? And him just call me and tell me say India, Jamaica. So
Oh, good news for you. And your sister.
so back to us now. Moving in.
Watching a man, as me say, we are just going to move in fully. You know, maybe one boy or one girl, or maybe two boys and two girls. You know, just start a little six aside, you see me? But listen, I see I have some family issue to deal with. So I finish, talk to your sister or your brother, you know what to find, right?
Yeah, me go talk to her and me come home when we finish start out this. Yeah?
Yeah. Love you, yeah?
Love you too.
You say if you know a real mascot. Wait, your brother.
Shan, you have to understand. You never loved somebody before.
Not at all.
Eh?
Not at all.
Well, you're not gonna understand then.
Right.
And Shan, what make other day me tell you said don't tell brother my business and you really gonna call him man and tell him my
Him a
business?
the
See,
big
look
one.
what you make him man do now.
Him a the big
Book
one.
ticket come to Jamaica, boy
you.
want to sort out my problem.
For you.
Well, you know I'm not to sort out because man and the woman left. Me go and pack up my things.
I never see a big mascot. I'm not even one tan in a yard to see when you live because I'm not giving no statement. Rubbish.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, me there, man. How would you again, my father? Davidan. Bro. From left foreign half 5 farmer. You know, long me know you from you, bro. Why pray? You there, Jamaica? Oh, God, my friend, man. Me can't wait to see you. Why pray? Anytime, bro, man, I want to pull up, my friend, man. Me glad to see you. I'm well want to see you, my G, man.
Yeah, man, I can send a location for WhatsApp. But what you know?
Yeah.
You know, say me want a girl, but now I introduce her to them.
Oh, you have a girl you want to introduce to me?
Yeah.
What you mean, bro, man? No problem, man. You see me? I'm a matter of fact, me with the girl when me used to talk to. Things now work out for me and her. But, you know, me have a different girl when me really care about and like, where we just start a new relationship. So, I really want to introduce she to you, same way, bro.
What you mean, man? All that can come.
Yo, watch out, man. You send your location, man. You see me? Just pull up, man, and we just link up. You see me?
Alright, we'll do that.
Alright, bro. Respect, man. Glad for your voice.
Alright.
Jaja, yo. Father.
See you.
You're kind of full of yourself here.
Hold on. Let's see if you're in there. You.
Yeah.
Partner there.
Bro.
Where are you doing?
Come in, man. You don't have to take off my shoes. Come in, man. Oh, God, bro.
Yes, where are you?
Give me some more foreign, man. Oh, God, man.
Where are you?
There, bro. From left foreign half 5 farm work. First, me I see a G.
What's on, man? I don't know if you're wearing them chain or not.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know if you're not even you want to wear it, but...
Me can't, well, I'm put it in my pocket, man, because I don't have no test class or nothing. Lord God, bro. Oh, God, my daddy, man.
Where are you?
I want to fly down.
I know, so I really, man, I'm say, yo, man, I feel in camp.
Oh, God, man. Me see
I
say.
feel in camp.
I'm glad you're not out, man. I'm glad you see you, man. George. So you're just there for you to visit?
Yeah, I didn't sit there going, man. I know just there, I should go for you for a while.
Jaja, you. Hold on there. Babes. Babes.
Yes, babe.
Come and introduce her to my friend, man. Babes.
Sis,
Bro.
how are you there, sir?
Oh, sir. What you are doing, sir?
You're calling me general, man. You know him?
Hold on there. You know her?
What this?
Him blood sister, this man.
I'm a brother with me always I tell about.
Jesus.
What's on me and your family official,
Oh,
man.
Jesus Christ, man.
Hold on, man. Really? I'm
Hold on, man.
small world listener.
Hold on, let me tell you. So what on there?
Yeah.
So what your girlfriend there?
Oh,
Where's
what's on
the
me? Forgot.
Where's the one introduce?
Yeah, come show him my face. I'm going to
Why
show
and me I come hot, man.
Come
So
here.
you just come down for me, so.
My friend.
Oh, God.
Sister, come in, man.
I'll come in. I'll jump in.
Me well want me for my sister-in-law. Hi. How are you? What's your name?
Alia.
Nice to meet you, Alia. I'm Tia.
Nice to meet
I just
you.
about that, baby. This is my bro, yeah, you know, man. This is my bro.
Hi.
Hi.
What happened? You know him?
Bro, what going? Baby, what happened? Baby.
B!
Watch out, man. From you see this a video, that means you made it to the end of this movie. That means you watch out the entire movie. And that we love. We like when you watch a movie from start to finish. You don't want to skip out it. But thank you all for watching. You understand? This is Wrld TV, as you know. You understand? As you see title, you know, say movie name Love and Drama. Don't just go and support the thing. You understand? A whole heap of work we have a forward out. You understand? Big up Alia. You understand? Big up Coloring Book. Big up Tia. Big up Shan. You understand? Whole team there are going to put in work, man. Wrld TV. You know you go. Coloring Book boss represent one puppet and all this.